Hi everyone, and welcome back. This week we're going to be talking about a specific muscle located in your hip called the Tensor Fascia Latae, or the TFL for short. We're going to start off talking a little bit about the anatomy and the function of this muscle, and then we're going to go into a foam rolling technique that you can use to keep this muscle loose. So to start off, the TFL attaches or originates at the iliac crest, which is a muscle in your, a bone in your hip, and then inserts into the IT band, which then the IT band travels from the hip down the outside of your leg and attaches into the tibia or the shin bone. The primary action of the TFL is internal rotation of the hip, and it also plays an accessory role in hip flexion as well as hip abduction. Since this muscle does attach in the IT band, it tends to be a common culprit of IT band syndrome when it gets tight. IT band syndrome can either present or manifest as hip pain or even down at the knee, since the IT band does travel all the way down there too. Next, we're going to go into a foam rolling. Well, that's a little bit of the anatomy part of the TFL. Now we're going to go into a foam rolling technique that you can use to keep this muscle loose. So again, with the foam rolling, you're going to be focusing on that TFL area, right by the hip bone into the IT band. So use this leg to help stabilize you, and then you're going to position yourself so you're slightly at an angle to get at that TFL muscle. We'll spend a little bit of time, spend about a minute on each side. When you find an area that's a little more sore, you can do smaller rolls there, or even just stop and hold it there for a prolonged amount of time, and then continue. So that is one foam rolling technique that you can use, and you can also try to replace the foam roll with a lacrosse ball or field hockey ball or anything similar to that to make it a little bit more targeted and a little bit more intense once you can tolerate the foam roll without a problem. So that about sums it up for the TFL and a way to foam roll it. If you have any questions, comments, concerns about this video or anything that you want to see specifically down the line, or any questions you have, feel free to shoot us a message or leave a comment. Until next time, bye.